Most first-time investors fail before they ever invest, not because they lack money or intelligence. They fail because budgeting feels like punishment. When people hear the word budget, they imagine restriction, sacrifice, and loss of freedom. So they either avoid budgeting, over-restrict, or rebel against their own plan. This creates guilt, frustration, and inconsistency. The real problem is not money. The problem is resentment. This video solves one problem: how to budget without resentment using Stoic principles. This is not about apps or spreadsheets. It is about discipline without self-hatred. Why budgeting feels like punishment? Budgeting feels painful because it is often designed emotionally. Most beginners build budgets like this. I should stop spending. I need to cut everything. I must be strict. This creates resistance. The mind reacts to restriction as a threat. So even a good budget feels unbearable. The Stoics understood this mistake. They never used discipline to punish themselves. They used discipline to remove chaos. When budgeting is built on guilt, it fails. When it is built on clarity, it lasts. A first-time investor does not need harsh rules. They need order. Why first-time investors quit? Most first-time investors quit quietly, not after big losses, but after small frustrations. They feel deprived, constrained, and constantly tempted. They ask, why am I doing this? The Stoics warned against this. Seneca wrote that suffering comes not from lack, but from uncontrolled desire. When a budget ignores desire, it creates rebellion. When it acknowledges desire, it creates balance. Stoic budgeting does not eliminate enjoyment, it governs it. Stoic principle: budgeting is allocation, not restriction. The Stoic reframes budgeting completely. A budget is not a cage, it is an allocation of resources. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not act as if you were going to live 10,000 years." This is not pessimism, it is prioritization. Stoic budgeting asks, what deserves my money? What supports my stability? What is excess? Nothing is banned, everything is ranked. This removes resentment. Practical Stoic budget for first-time investors. A Stoic budget has 3 parts. First, stability, housing, food, essential bills. These are not negotiable, they are duty. Second, investing, small, consistent, automatic, not aggressive, not emotional. Third, controlled enjoyment, guilt-free spending, limited but allowed. The Stoic does not eliminate pleasure, he limits it consciously. This prevents rebellion. A budget that allows nothing will be broken. A budget that allows reason will survive. Why Stoic budgeting builds confidence. Confidence does not come from spending, it comes from control. When money is governed rationally, anxiety decreases, decisions slow, and guilt disappears. The Stoic is not frugal for praise, he is disciplined for peace. A first-time investor does not need perfection, they need consistency without resentment. That is what Stoic budgeting provides. Budgeting fails when it feels like punishment. Stoic budgeting succeeds because it feels rational. You do not need motivation, you need structure decided in advance. Control spending, allocate intentionally, allow enjoyment, remove resentment. This is not deprivation, it is discipline. This is Stoic budgeting for first-time investors, and it is the foundation of disciplined wealth.